How to plant papaya in pots so that it will bear fruit quickly, no need for a large area. Want to know how to plant papaya in pots in the yard of the house? See the following method. Papaya cultivation does not only have to be done in a large area but can also be done in a narrow area so that the papaya cultivation process in pots runs smoothly. Make sure you choose the type of papaya that the tree does not. In addition, make sure that this type of jetter produces sweet fruit so that it is delicious to eat with the family. There are 6 stages that you need to know in papaya. Cultivation, from seed selection to harvest. In Pot 1, choose papaya seeds. How to plant papaya. Start from the seed selection process at this stage. There are 2 types of seeds that are good to choose, namely superior seeds from agricultural shops or making your own seeds. More secure, and you can also choose various types of papaya seeds such as California papaya, Bangkok, and so on. For planting in pots, it is highly recommended to choose California papaya because this type is not too large and suitable for planting in pots, but if you prefer to make your own seeds, follow the steps below to prepare papaya seeds. To get good papaya seeds, you have to select the papaya fruit you want to take the seeds. Choose a papaya fruit with an unhealthy elongated shape, free from disease and allowed to ripen on the tree. Take the seeds contained in the papaya fruit and carry out the germination process. Is next, soak the papaya seeds overnight in warm water, then take the seeds that have sunk and wash them thoroughly. Then drain. Put the seeds in a large plastic bag that is blown tightly so that the air cannot come out. About 7 to 12 days, the seeds will start to germinate. After the seeds are ready, how to plant papaya. The next thing to do is prepare the planting media. The process of preparing the papaya planting media is not difficult. It is enough to mix the yard soil and manure using a ratio of 2 to 1 so that the planting media can work well. Make sure the manure is old because if the fertilizer has not ripe can cause heat and kill plants. After the planting medium is ready, prepare a plant pot with a diameter of at least 40 centimeters, and at the bottom there is a drainage hole. The drainage hole must exist so that residual water can flow and the plant does not rot. Fill the bottom of the pot with shards of kitchen charcoal tile so that the whole the drainage is maintained. The 4 papaya seeds are planted when the seeds and planting media are ready. Start the process of planting papaya seeds by directly planting the seeds in the planting medium. Hi, it is recommended for mama to choose California papaya seeds because this plant is not too big if it is planted in a pot. The California type has a sweet taste and many people like. After the seeds are ready, friends can plant the seeds in pots. Don't forget to fill the bottom with crushed charcoal kitchen tiles so that the drain hole is maintained. Plant the seeds upright and make sure the roots are covered with soil. Fifth, fertilize the papaya tree. Papaya cultivation in pots is recommended not to use chemical fertilizers because of the limited soil media. If given chemical fertilizers indirectly over time, described by plants, you can also use hydroponic plant fertilizers so that fertilizers are quickly absorbed, plants grow quickly and bear fruit. Water the papaya tree at least once a day. If the environment is dry, but if it rains a lot, just make sure the soil is not dry. This can be done when the plant is 9 months old and has produced a lot of fruit. The fruit should be picked and the fruit is close to the mature stage of the tree with characteristics of yellowing on the skin. It should be noted that the productivity of the papaya tree depends on the climate, the variety, and its care. Summarize, hopefully. This video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting information. Channel. Thank you. Hopefully it's useful.